Hi guys, wagwan! Welcome to Risha Simone's Recipe Tweaks. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how I make curried sour cream shrimp. It's a recipe I've never done before, but I personally love eating shrimp curried or in sour cream sauce. So I decided to put these two ingredients together, make a twist on it, and see if they complement each other. Well guys, they really complement each other. The recipe is the bomb, and so I'd love to share it with you today, so please stay tuned. I'm removing the tails from the shrimp because I don't want to be doing it when I'm eating. I've also washed them in some lemon juice. Once the shrimp are drained, I will be adding some garlic salt to them. If salt is warranted, I will add it later on in the video. So for the remaining ingredients, guys, I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of Indian curry, a cup of mushrooms, a half of an onion is already sliced, half of bell pepper, red and green. You don't have to use that color. I have thyme, 3 pegs of garlic, Scotch bonnet pepper to this recipe as well. To the shrimp, I'm gonna add some garlic salt. Guys, growing up, I've always heard my parents and grandparents say it. I'm gonna add a dash of this, a pinch of this. I never saw them using measuring cup for ingredients, but I'll definitely put the ingredients down below so you can have it for reference. I know Jamaicans can relate. It is very funny. Guys, I know a lot of you can relate to this phenomenon because I've watched a lot of videos with Jamaicans cooking and they never really use measurement. They would say a dash of this, a pinch of that, or a little of this. So guys, I'd love to know your views. If you can relate to this phenomenon, please share your views in the comments down below. Okay guys, the oil is hot and I'm ready to add my Indian curry. I'll be doing 2 tablespoons of this and I'm going to burn it with some Scotch bonnet pepper and garlic that was already diced. Burning the curry, garlic and pepper together in oil really intensifies the flavor of the sauce. Also guys, eating curry has a potential of causing a stomach ache, so we burn the curry to prevent that from happening. 2 reasons I burn curry: 1 for intense flavor of the sauce, and 2 to prevent the cause of stomach ache. So I allow the sauce to burn for a few minutes and then I'm gonna add the shrimp. I'm gonna let the shrimp saute in this sauce for a while, then I'll add the remaining ingredients. Okay guys, so I've added most of the ingredients. My mushroom is just going in. I'm simply stirring them together so that they'll be combined. Alright, so at this point I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of sour cream to the recipe. Guys, please share this video, subscribe, stay informed by hitting the notification bell. Yeah, share the love. I'm adding 1/4 cup of water here so that all the ingredients can be combined. Guys, I'm gonna leave it for 4 minutes to simmer so that it will have a thick consistency. To top this off, I'm gonna add some black pepper and the dried parsley. And guys, it's ready for eating. The smell is incredible. Guys, this is the one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. It was great having you here this week. Please remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'd be notified when I post new videos. And as we say, ciao, bye, what good, peace.